Assalamualaikum and good morning. We are from Group 9. We present about our group assignment. The company that we choose is AK Freight. I am Alia. I will explain about AK Freight, Sdn Bhd background. AK Freight Sdn Bhd was founded back in 2009. The headquarters of the company is located at Puchong, Selangor. The company run a business focused on transportation, logistics and storage. AK Freight Sdn Bhd become one of the major transportation company in East Malaysia that provides sea and air freight service. The vision of the company is to become the global leader in the business and be known for pioneering solution in logistics worldwide. This company come up with various types of service such as international freight, forwarding, ocean freight, air freight and sea freight.
Assalamualaikum, I am Aini. I'm going to continue to talk about my part, which is purchasing analysis. AK Freight Sdn Bhd developed relationship with the biggest shipping companies and allowing to transport goods in containers, even without containers from all parts around the world. According to the website of AK Freight Sdn Bhd, they offer door-to-door service to Sabah and Sarawak. The price their service according to area, for example, Kuching and Bintulu cost RM200 and above, whereas Miri and Labuan cost RM300 and above. Other than that, Brunei receive RM400 and more for selected areas such as Muara and Tutong. To ensure that they gain customer, they give a free of charge for pickup fee. The local transportation rate from Klang is separated into three regions, which is Northern, Southern and Central, which charge around RM500 and RM3000 and more for designated areas. Indonesia is also served by AK Freight, and they charge for each item according on its size, from S to XXL. AK Freight Sdn Bhd offer a comprehensive range of container shipping, support service across the world. Close collaboration with Containers Line enable them to offer the best pricing, decrease delivery times, and provide global coverage.
Thank you, Randy, for a wonderful explanation. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Alam Rahmati Azhar. Without further ado, I will explain about analysis of supplier. Firstly, I will explain briefly about definition of supplier, which is supplier is a person, company, or an entity that deliver goods or service to another person, company, or entity. They are provider and purchaser involved in trade. Buyer get item or service that supplier deliver or provide to them. But unfortunately, AK Freight did not notify its supplier because the matter is a company secret and confidential. So then I will explain AK Freight has carried out its role as a supplier by offering service such as AK Freight is the world's biggest last line container load (LCL) service provider with multi-city consideration and a well connection network accessible from distant area. It encourages the development of new direct marketing channel. Trade route AK Freight has local knowledge to manage custom and Conference meeting AK Freight contribute as well. AK Freight also collaboration with major carriers to serve via a worldwide network most direct connection and trade channel. Next is AK Freight also offer full container load service (FCL), who has vast expertise across major industry sector and solution that ensure customer have all the information and answer they require. AK Freight operate on a multi-carrier principle, optimizing cost and time of transportation through multiple carrier. For example, transport of breakables, heavy or oversized goods, and the highest quality. Origin and destination office provide greater operation control, cheaper cost and largest margin. With highly efficient and competent cargo handling, AK Freight provide door-to-door shipping across all continents. That's it from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Farah and I'm going to talk about operation analysis, which are inventory management and process management. Inventory management is controlling and overseeing purchases from suppliers and customers. AK Freight specialization in automotive, e-commerce and chemical warehousing, so it's very important to have inventory management. As for automotive solution, AK Freight put efficiency on fast track by delivering, ensuring zero downtime with value-driven inbound solution. Yard management, order management and machine critical order management is being used to monitor from start and finish and manage the procedure and data associated. Other than that, for e-commerce or retail logistics, inventory management, AK Freight using advanced stock management system. The stock management system will maintain an optimal stock, and as for put to light, it will direct operator to organize arriving item as customers order. Meanwhile, pick to light system utilize alphanumeric like RFID and button in light aided manual picking, putting, sorting and assembling. This will prove the pick accuracy and efficiency. Okay, last but not least, inventory management for chemical warehousing is stringent and standard of compliance, and since it is a chemical, AK Freight equipped it with skill to specially pack granules and semi-liquid chemical. Regular safety drill, temperature monitoring will always be done. And the last operational analysis is process management. AK Freight uses lean concept. Lean production is creating a sustainable environment, material flow synchronization within the firm, and broadening organization in the supply chain. AK Freight believe in creating a sustainable environmental by using solar panel, collecting rainwater, and importing the empty reuse for export to save waste and cost. There is also an effluent treatment plant where it will minimize water waste while recharging the underground groundwater table. AK Freight operate as a link between a shipper and a variety transportation option. AK Freight uses establishes relationship with carriers and will be given best possible price to move shipper goods and most effective route.
Hi, I am Sarah. I am going to talk about operational analysis, which are demand forecasting and resource planning system. Demand forecasting is a method of predicting future customer demand and how it will affect a company's supply chain. AK Freight does not have demand forecasting. I suggest AK Freight use Cloud-based forecasting because it can help AK Freight easily manage and organize data. Cloud-based forecasting will enable AK Freight to increase its data storage and data analysis capabilities. It shows the real-time visibility of inventory and shipment and enhance logistic tracking. It solves the capability issues and makes connection simple as it allows partners to share supply chain information in a unified supply chain system. It improves forecast accuracy. Second, resource planning system. Resource planning system is the process of distributing tasks to team members based on their capacity, skill set, and benefit for the work. AK Freight is using the distribution requirement plan. Distribution requirement planning is the process of forecasting net requirement from warehouse and distribution center over time. DRP, also known as distribution replenishment planning, is a time-based strategy for predicting when inventory will run out and arranging to avoid shortage. AK Freight provide a warehouse for finished goods and manage their distribution center to ensure all the distribution of goods to the respective center runs smoothly. They have a comprehensive network of warehouse in Portland. In e-commerce, they have two types of warehouse which are dedicated and shared warehouse and transport. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Chandran Jack. Today I would like to discuss my part, which is the distribution analysis. First, for the logistics service is they will ensure to provide their transportation service effectively with time and place utility to fulfill the needs of customer which minimize the cost. Next, for the public warehouse, it provides dedicated storage and management facilities for IP documents in multiple locations to avoid the risk pooling and the warehouse locations. Next, for the mode of transportation of these companies, there are two main modes, which is the water carrier and motor carrier. For the water carriers, they service for the organizations of multimodal transport to provide sea transport such as port forwarding service, customer or transit clearance, and more. Next, for the motor carrier, they have the largest fleet of trucks in operations to guarantee that they can execute high-level oversight, efficient, and effective delivery without causing any damage. Next, for the customer relationships, customer service with the service spirit of humanity and the work attitudes of loyalty and diligence, they serve customers. Logistic professionals provide one-of-a-kind solutions to ensure exceptional customer service. For the measuring customer satisfactions, they continuously respond to customer inquiries, recognizing and appreciating all forms of feedback about their service of organizations to enhance customer relationships. Last is the relations marketing. Customers have the flexibilities to communicate with the companies from their platforms such as the website. From the mobile marketing include their service informations and the communications platforms to analyze their customer behavior and requirements, and then developing a system to meet those needs. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Andrew Angenson, and I'm going to continue the distribution analysis part, which is location. AK Freight have 3 office locations. The first location is in Port Klang, which is on Unit 6, Level 4, Setia Walk Mall, Setia Walk Persiaran Wawasan, Pusat Bandar Puchong, 47160, Puchong, Selangor, Malaysia. The second office is located at KLIA office, which is on Lot D12, Block D, MAS Freight Forwarders Complex in Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Free Commercial Zone, 6400 KLIA, Sepang, Selangor, DE. And the third office is located on Jalan Jasa 56, Taman Mutiara Rini, 81300, Johor Bahru, Malaysia. They also have 2 locations for their warehouse service, which is located at Port Klang and Subang Jaya. In addition, they also have logistics service, which is at number 21, Jalan Batu Unjur 1, Taman Bayu Dana, 41200, Kelang, Selangor. The next topic is service responses. AK Freight has paid attention to provide service to their customer. One of the quality that AK Freight serves to their customer is safety. AK Freight have experienced drivers which they believe that they can offer high service to their customer as they have decades of logistic knowledge. Not only that, they also have experienced logistic experts and technicians that pay careful attention to ensure that they arrive safely and on time if the load is very big or dimensional. Besides, they also ensure their trucks are well maintained and have the greatest truck fleets in operation to ensure that they can perform high value, extremely large, efficient and effective deliveries without causing any damage, as is usual with many carriers truck outsourcing. In addition, they also provide customers with comprehensive insurance services through an independent insurance department if things go wrong. The second qualities that AK Freight serves to their customer is they help customer goods that is imported from other country. They have employees with more than 10 years of business expertise in the customs field that look after customer customs solutions. They also will handle all the custom formalities required for imports into Malaysia to their customers, from the declaration of goods for customs purposes to the complete customs clearance procedure. On request, they will provide all the necessary documents to handle customs bureaucracies. In addition, they also give the essential documentation to deal with customs bureaucracies upon request. That is all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I am Martin and I am going to presenting on process integration and performance measurement. So process integration can be defined as a process of combining all the parties that are involved in the product development in one system. So AK Freight Sdn Bhd partnering with Core Courier to create a well-connected network that can be accessed through remote control. By that, they can share all information regarding logistics easily in one system. AK Freight utilizes 2 methods to measure their performance. The first one is implementing direct links to several places, as it could save more time and cost of transporting goods to its respective destinations. Second method is offices that handle the movement of goods both in origin and destination give operational efficiency that leads to high productivity. Those methods eventually will improve their productivity. To conclude, AK Freight Sdn Bhd is a major transportation company in East Malaysia that provides sea and air freight services. They will ensure all processes regarding warehouses, shipping, logistics and customs run smoothly for the satisfaction of their customer. As for recommendation, AK Freight Sdn Bhd should be implementing demand forecasting in their job scope because it can give them a better insight about their business. That's all from us. Thank you.